Welcome to my YouTube series Exploring the Body, a guide for occupants by Bill Bryson. In this series, I will dive into each chapter of this fascinating book, unpacking Bryson's witty and insightful take on the human body. From the marvels of anatomy to the mysteries of life itself, this book is a celebration of the vessel we inhabit every day but often take for granted. Each video will break down one chapter, highlighting key concepts and interesting facts while sharing my reflections. Whether you are curious about science or just want to appreciate your body more, join me on this journey through Bryson's masterpiece. Let's kick off our journey with chapter 1 of the body, titled How to Build a Human. Bill Bryson begins with an intriguing question. What would it cost to assemble a human being? Surprisingly, the answer is over $150,000 if you were to buy all the elements in purified form. Bryson humorously recalls his elementary teacher claiming you could buy all the chemicals that make up human body for just under $5 at a hardware store. Turns out it's far more complex than that. The human body is primarily composed of 6 elements: carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus that make up 99.1% of us. Yet there are 59 elements in total within our bodies, including trace amounts of essential ones like iron and zinc, as well as toxic ones like cadmium. Bryson marvels at how these elements come together in perfect harmony to create life, a process still shrouded in mystery. Bryson also emphasizes the sheer scale of life happening inside us. Every second, trillions of cells work tirelessly to keep us alive without any conscious effort on our part. It is astonishing when you think about how 7 quintillion atoms have assembled themselves into you, a sentient being capable of thought and emotion. This number is so large that it is almost incomprehensible, yet it is what makes up the intricate machinery of our bodies. To put this into perspective, consider the complexity of just one cell. Cells are the building blocks of life, and each one contains thousands of different types of molecules, all working together in a highly coordinated manner. The precision and efficiency of cellular processes are truly remarkable. For instance, the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, produce energy through a process called cellular respiration. This process involves converting glucose into ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. It's a testament to the incredible engineering that goes into creating life. Bryson's wit shines through as he combines science with humor and awe, making us appreciate the complexity and resilience of our bodies. This chapter reminds us of the miracle that is life itself. Despite being made up of ordinary atoms found throughout the universe, our bodies perform extraordinary feats every day, from producing blood cells to maintaining cellular functions, all for the price of some water and organic compounds. One of the most fascinating aspects of this chapter is how Bryson highlights the interconnectedness of life. He notes that the elements that make up our bodies are not unique to Earth. They're found throughout the universe. This realization underscores the idea that we are part of a much larger cosmic landscape. The atoms in our bodies have been around since the beginning of time, recycled through stars and planets before becoming part of us. It's a profound thought that connects us to the universe in a way that is both humbling and empowering. As we explore this book, we'll delve into more of these fascinating stories about the human body, from the intricate system that keep us alive to the mysteries that still puzzle scientists. The body is a journey that will leave you in awe of the incredible machine that is a human body. This chapter sets the stage for the rest of the book by showing us just how miraculous and mysterious the human body truly is. It invites us to appreciate the intricate balance and harmony within us, and to marvel at the sheer complexity of life.